I had a part-time bookkeeper that came in every week, and she basically looked across the desk at me and said, you know, I'm not sure what we're gonna do here. And I said, what are you talking about? And she said, well, I don't see this working much longer. My name is Brad Gordon, located in Langley, BC, and my company is Coast Mountain Roof Limited. I had a group of guys growing up in high school. There was an older brother, you know, he was 5-6 years older than us. He started a roofing company out of high school. So we were fresh pickings for his labor force. Graduate high school, played a year in college, transferred to university, and I'll never forget, like all the while I was always doing roofing. Next thing you know, it becomes a year or two. I went and found a dirty old Chevy van, filled the van with tools, ladders, and started a roofing company. My business life before Breakthrough Academy, it was crazy. I was working out of my house. Guys would pull up at 6:30 in the morning, piss all the neighbors off. You're managing, you know, sales, accounting, finance, production, on-site. It was literally that fly by the seat of your pants. That wasn't gonna work for very long, I'll tell you that. Probably 5-6 years in, you know, we had no money. I probably owed $50,000, $80,000, $100,000 to suppliers. And I knew at that time I needed help. And that's when I heard through a friend about this Breakthrough Academy and what they were doing for systemizing businesses. When we started Breakthrough Academy, the business was grossing about 2.3 million. Today, we've doubled in revenue to 5.6, and our net profit has doubled as well. The most pivotal systems that we've implemented since joining Breakthrough Academy would have been definitely the organizational chart, the employment agreements, and the ideal candidate profiles. You know, having an org chart helps the individuals on a team to know who they report to and how the structure works. If an apprentice in the field has a problem, he doesn't call the president, he speaks to his foreman. Employment agreements play a massive role in systemizing a business because it's a very clear path and roadmap as to what role is responsible for what, which allows everybody to see and know what is expected of them. The ideal candidate profile is something that has helped us immensely. It's a key document in identifying who are we looking for? You know, what specific skill sets do they have? BTA has definitely made me more confident and competent in business life, whereas 5 years ago, I couldn't have told you which way we were going. And if I could have had this 3 or 4 years earlier, it would have been so instrumental. My team has the ability to stay in their lane. People are wearing less hats. My personal life, I have so much more time to partake in family activities, kids' sports. So what's next for Coast Mountain Roof is planning for growth and succession planning. I've had a bit of a slogan over the years of, you know, feeling that we're trying to change the roofing industry one roof at a time.